Are you looking to understand the 2025 Mercedes GLE cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? This guide answers about your questions about key symbols, alerts meanings helping you navigate with confidence and ease. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Door panel with memory-enabled seat adjustments, power window mirror controls. The steering wheel is the primary control interface that allows a driver to direct and maneuver a vehicle. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicator. Restraint system. Seat belt warning light. Reduced power. Occupant presence reminder. Electrical malfunction. System error. Coolant temperature. Power steering. Engine operating temperature. Engine diagnosis. Parking indicator. Reserve fuel with fuel filler flap. Anti-lock braking system brakes. Electric parking brake. Regenerative brake system, ESP. Trailer hitch, ESP off. ESP sport, attention assist. Traffic sign assist, distance warning. Active brake assist, active brake assist off. Active brake assist, airmatic. Mercedes-Benz emergency call system, tire pressure. Side lights, low beam. Turn signal lights, rear fog light. Drive away assist. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.